Hello kids, today we learn action words. Let's start. Jump. Jump means कूदना. Run. Run means दौड़ना. Walk. Walk means चलना. Play. Play means खेलना. Jump, run, walk, play. Dance. Dance means नाचना. Sing. Sing means गाना. Laugh. Laugh means हंसना. Cry. Cry means रोना. Dance, sing, laugh, cry. Read. Read means पढ़ना. Write. Write means लिखना. Sit. Sit means बैठना. Stand. Stand means खड़े होना. Read, write, sit, stand. Swim. Swim means तैरना. Climb. Climb means चढ़ना. Push. Push means धकेलना. Pull. Pull means खींचना. Swim, climb, push, pull. Eat. Eat means खाना. Drink. Drink means पीना. Sleep. Sleep means सोना. Fly. Fly means उड़ना. Eat, drink, sleep, fly. Exercise. Exercise means व्यायाम करना. Fight. Fight means लड़ना. Ride. Ride means सवारी करना. Cook. Cook means पकाना. Exercise, fight, ride, cook. Okay kids, please like, share and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get new interesting videos. Okay, bye.